फाटल्या जून म्हयन्यांत मायणा कुडतरे पोलिसांनी 5 जाणांक बेकायदेशीरपणान ताब्यात घेवन तांकां मारपेट करून तांकां लैंगीक त्रास केल्ल्याचो आरोप जाल्लो. ह्या 5 जाणांत एका 17 वर्साच्या अल्पवयीन चल्याचोय आस्पाव आशिल्लो. देखून ह्या प्रकरणाची गोंय मानवाधिकार आयोगान गंभीर दखल घेवन ह्या 5 जाणांक दरेकी 20,000 रुपयाची लुकसाण भरपाय दिवपाचो आदेश आयोगान दिला. तशेंच ह्या प्रकरणात सामील आशिल्ल्या पुलिसांचेर खात्यान कितें कारवाय केल्या ताचो अहवाल दिवचो असो आदेश पुलीस खात्याक दिला.
Few months back, we have seen the Maina Kurturi incident where 5 boys from the age of 17 to 19 were illegally detained in Maina Kurturi police station, were assaulted and kept overnight. They were not only brutally assaulted but even sexually assaulted in the police station. This case was then taken suo motu by the Human Rights Commission, Goa Human Rights Commission. Today an order is passed by the commission stating that there's a finding found where the 5 boys, including one victim, was kept illegally in Maina Kurturi police station barrack. Maina Kurturi police station does not have a lockup, but these 5 boys were kept in the police barrack in the police station. They were kept overnight without an FIR, without a station diary entry or any legal authority inside the police station barrack, and were hit, assaulted physically and sexually. They have even found the medical reports which says that bruises and swelling were found on the 5 boys. Now, our Human Rights Commission has passed an order where the 5 boys will be compensated 20,000 each by the department, by the police department itself. And a report seeking the disciplinary action against the police will be sought. Let this case now be an example that any kind of atrocity, any kind of assault, may it be verbal, physical, will not be tolerated. Let this be an example that tomorrow, if anything happens to any woman, any child, any man, let it be physical or a verbal or a sexual assault, people have to come up, people have to stand, and people have to file a complaint, because this is not accepted by law and this is an illegal act done by the police station. Now we have seen people say that police is no one can go against, but this is a proper example that if you stand up, if you file a complaint, if you speak up, action will be taken. Our law is there, our courts are there, who will give justice. Today these boys have got compensation. Tomorrow if anything has happened, compensation will come. Forget compensation, justice will come to your doorstep. Justice is there for you. So let this Maina Kurturi assault case be an example that people should stand up, people should speak. Let the assault happen few years back, few months back, or even now. The courts are open to listening to you. The courts also understand that there will be a delay. People are scared to come and file a complaint. But let this be an example that people should come, people should stand to stop this. This case now will stop few atrocities from happening in the future. Now police will know their duty. Police will know that they cannot commit such an act. I would also like to thank the Goa Human Rights Commission for taking this matter and giving justice to these 5 boys.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक टीव्ही.